Welcome to this presentation. This is Behruz Musavi and I'm going to present the results of our research team regarding internal nervousness analysis and synthesis of order management system via simulation modeling. Within this project, we simulate order management of complex planning system at Infineon technology. Supply chain planning in semiconductor manufacturing is a complex and global system. Planning in Infineon follows core model. It uses an advanced planning system incorporated with enterprise resource planning system. Divisional model or master planning and demand fulfillment are two key parts of APS. Several complex algorithms run every day to match demands with supply and satisfy customers. Each of these algorithms run in different software modules and interact through the information system. If what planned yesterday could not satisfy anymore, it considers as an error within the planning system. This delay in planning system identifies by a control system called early warning. Now, the issue is that if an early warning happened, how could we get what was the causes? Was it belong to stochasticity of demands or ATP? Or it might belong to inconsistency within APS, which might causes the problem. This is why understanding the root causes of an error is a complicated process. This figure shows several inputs and outputs of the divisional model. During our investigation, we observed a type of early warning that happens a day before previous confirmation date. This means there isn't enough time to modify the plan and it leads to customer dissatisfaction. To reveal the possible sources of this error, we simulated the planning system and its interactions with the physical system. This simulation model supported us to evaluate different root causes hypotheses in a risk-free environment. The conceptual model aimed to evaluate how the internal model of APS interacts with the physical system, how it sends instruction to physical system and how it updates plan based on a reaction from the physical system. To develop this simulation model, we use a multi-paradigm simulation modeling in NLogic. We use both agent-based simulation modeling and discrete event. The main objective of this simulation model are imitating planning system module, evaluate the interaction between information system and physical system, analyze possible hypothesis of a demand fulfillment error, and experiment within the simulated planning system. Simulation model made up various agents that interact with each other. In the main agent, a map of all agents shown. The planning system is in a green box and a physical system consists of front-end, back-end, logistics system between back-end and distribution, and finally distribution center are in the blue box. Each of these agents interacts by sending information or material between each other. Each agent has some attributes that comes from the internal discrete event model. For instance, the backend agent consists of three different factories that aim to imitate the overall input and output of each backend. In the core of planning system or master planning, agents calculates plans and sends targets. To see how the model runs, I go for a short example. When I click run, it calculates nervousness within APS. The result of ATP nervousness within simulation model is stored in Excel files. The result of the simulation model shows that the defined logistic route with the real data can cause ATP nervousness. The percentage of deviation and overall behavior of the model is similar to real data. Here you see example of output for different scenarios and experimentation. Now we identified and experimented the possible root causes of nervousness. To certify this hypothesis, we proposed and conducted a data science project. The result of extracting data shows that the hypothesis is true and it has a share of early warning. Within this study, we propose a simulation model approach for complex planning system of semiconductor manufacturing, improve understanding of interaction within APS of the case study, certify a hypothesis of early warning, and evaluate ATP creation algorithm. And I hope this presentation gave you fresh idea for your future research.